If you want to see my free videos, press the red subscribe button and the bell icon to subscribe to my channel. I've been living in Brooklyn, New York for last 11 years and I've had the best jerk chicken of my life. I live not too far from the Caribbean neighborhood where all the Jamaicans and Caribbean people live. Today I'm making jerk chicken. Let's take a look at the history of jerk chicken. Why is it called jerk chicken first of all? You know why it is called? See this chicken? I'm just poking this with my fork like this to make sure that the marinade goes inside. This is why it's called jerk chicken. I just jerked it to make my jerk chicken. Also, the word has a reference from the word jerky, which was how you have your beef jerky, which is dried chicken which uses a rub, and the rub is the spices which we're going to use. The African slaves went to Jamaica because Jamaica was a British colony, and they are the ones who invented this dish using ingredients which were local to the landscape of Jamaica. Coming to that, there are two ingredients which are very particular, which is allspice. Now let me tell you allspice. This is allspice. Allspices doesn't mean it's a mixture of all spices. This is actually berries which are dried and made a powder of. It is one spice called allspice, and a particular kind of a chili native to Jamaica. The chilies and allspice is what is peculiar to jerk chicken. Now they also make this with pork or chicken traditionally, but now you can make it with tofu. I've seen jerk shrimp. I've seen all sorts of meats being used. We are going to make this marination first. Let the chicken marinate for at least 12 hours. Now chicken, ideally one should be taking skin on, bone on, whole chicken. I have taken boneless, skinless thighs. Yes, you can do a good job with that as well. That's why I'm purposely taking boneless, skinless thighs. That's the most simple part. Even the kids can enjoy. I won't encourage you to use breasts. They will get too dry because we're cooking it in the oven. Traditionally, again, this is cooked using a pit, a fire pit with wood smoke and stuff, but we'll stick to the simple oven method. Now let's quickly make our marination. It uses about 11-12 ingredients. Most of them are in a powder form. The only thing which I have whole is black pepper. Now this is something which I really suggest you don't use crushed. Just grind your own pepper. Now this much black pepper is good for the amount which I have taken, and just crush it using this. Roughly crushed black pepper first. I put some onion, green onion, scallion as you may call it, my fresh chilies, my fresh garlic, fresh ginger. Fresh garlic, fresh ginger will give you the most body. Some thyme. My thyme, as you can clearly see, has dried up, but never mind. Fresh thyme. Some brown sugar. Okay, now if you have added sugar, we are also going to add some citrus to balance the flavors. I'm taking about 2 limes. Nice. All right, then we will take some soy sauce. I'm not putting any salt in this dish. So some soy sauce. And then finally, my powdered spices, which are ground nutmeg, another very peculiar spice to a jerk chicken. Ground nutmeg. Of course, the star ingredient, allspice, and some cinnamon powder. Some cinnamon. All right, there we go. We'll put some oil, any kind of oil, vegetable oil, olive oil. Seal it up. That's a flavor bomb, which is gonna work magic on your chicken to get you the jerk chicken you want. Take it out, give it a nice stir to make sure everything is nicely, ground. Another one. Voila! I think this is done. Oh, I did that too soon. Okay, so then here it goes. I'm reserving a little bit of it because I'm gonna make a little basting sauce which I'm gonna use towards the end. You will see when I cook it why I saved a little bit of my marinade. Toss this chicken in there, and this is going to marry overnight. You know, the best things in life happen at night. So the chicken and our jerk spice mix is going to create some magic, and I will see you in about 12 hours of resting this in the fridge. Then we are going to cook it. Let's put these chicken pieces on this greased baking tray. My oven is set for 400 degrees, and that's what I'm gonna pop in for about 30 minutes at 400 in the middle rack. And we will turn in between once, and then we're gonna broil it in the last 5 minutes. I'm just gonna show you that. So it's been about 25 minutes now. I flipped it once in between, and now I'm going to change the setting to broil on high. See, broil on high. Take this out and put it on the top rack. Let this broil nicely for about 3-4 minutes to get that char flavor, and then we are good to go. So here we are, my chicken is ready. This is it. I also have this sauce. You remember I had kept that marinade separately, so I reduced it on a pan, and I have this sauce which I am going to now pour over this. And you might be wondering what that is, right? That's my pineapple and black bean rice. Black beans and pineapple both are like very Caribbean ingredients. Also used coconut oil in that. A separate recipe video that's just to kind of team it with it. So I'm gonna pour this sauce over this chicken so that it remains moist. Nice. You don't have to do that, but I like it like juicy and like grilled chicken with a sauce. And then this is the traditional garnish, which is some scallions. There you go. Oh, I love scallions. So this is it, guys. This is a Caribbean feast for you, which is Jamaican jerk chicken. It's super duper easy. It's just the marinade, and rest of the work is pretty much done by the oven. So let me know how you felt about this recipe. Till next time. If you want to see my free videos, press the red subscribe button and the bell icon to subscribe to my channel.